Hey, Alex Yao here, Remax Select Properties and YaoRealEstate.com. And this is Real Estate Matters, July 2023. So over the last month in June, single-family homes in Vancouver East went up 3.1%. Vancouver West went up 2.4%. Townhomes in Vancouver East actually stayed flat at 0%. Vancouver West went up 2.7%. Condos, Vancouver East went up 0.9%. Vancouver West went up 0.7%. Now, as you know, I attach a copy of the real estate board stats, monthly stats, with my emails every month, and which is attached to the bottom of this email, of course. So the heading, it says, home prices continue to rise in Metro Vancouver's housing market to kick off the summer. Is that really the case though? Well, kind of, right? We're looking at single family, townhomes, condos, all the prices are increasing still. So that is correct. But does that help you if you're looking to sell or if you're looking to buy? How much further is it going to go? Do you know what kind of offer to be expecting, to be looking at? So these are all the things that you need a little more context behind these numbers to look at, okay? So let's look at some other areas close by. For example, well, we'll start with Vancouver since we just talked about Vancouver. I'm going to give you some numbers that are based off of the entire residential market. So condos, townhomes, and houses kind of combined, okay? Vancouver East last month went up 2%, but in the last 3 months went up 7.3%. Vancouver West last month went up 1.3%. Last 3 months went up 4.4%. Burnaby North last month went up 0.1%, but over the last 3 months went up 3.9%. Burnaby South last month went up 0.6%. Last 3 months went up 3.6%. Coquitlam last month went up 1.5%. Last 3 months went up 5.8%. Richmond last month went up 0.1%, but last 3 months went up 2.4%. So what does that mean? All the monthly increases from last month, let's say you multiply by 3, it should be equal or greater to what the last 3 months have increased by, right? But that's not the case in all these areas. That's not the case. It's actually slower. That means that the uptick is slowing down. It's decelerating. It's still going up, but at a much slower rate, a slower pace, if you will. So because of that, I think we're reaching a peak that's reached going into the summer, which kind of goes back to pre-COVID type of trend. You know, that it kind of slows down the summertime because obviously families are out of town, kids are out of school, less time to actually do anything. The people that need to move in the summertime, typically they buy in the spring, which is why we always have a pretty strong spring market. And after the deal's done, they wait to move in the summertime when the kids are out of school, for example. And typically in September, there's another uptick again. So we'll see if that happens this year. But along with the interest rate rise of 25 basis points a couple weeks ago, I mean, it's not much, to be honest with you, but it does still kind of keep that uncertainty going a little bit longer. So it'll be interesting to see whether that continues in September. Well, the trend continues in September, where we're going to see a little bit of uptick. But in the meantime, yes, prices are still holding, but don't expect it to keep growing at the rate we saw in the last couple of months. Okay, and the stats really show that. So don't just believe the absolute numbers on these statistics. Statistics are supposed to give you a trend, right? So find that trend and you'll find the context and you'll find how that will help you. So give me a call if you have any questions or if you ever want to discuss buying or selling a property. I'll be happy to help. 604-374-5534 or email me at alex@yaorealestate.com. Looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.